Ivan, I'm from Chicago, South Side.
And who we got with you?
Janet, I'm from Chicago as well.
Okay, what we got here?
So we got my wife's 88 Cadillac, all original. It's sat in New Mexico for 22 years. So all we did was just some interior speakers and some 14s on it. We got it buffed out and ceramic coating.
Yeah, I had 87.
Oh wow.
I'm a Cadillac person. I've had 5 of them.
Wow.
I'm a Cadillac person. Oh, very clean. Is your daily driver?
No.
No, none of our daily driver. I wish they were.
And this is yours too.
This is mine. This is my baby right here. It's a 1986 Monte Carlo SS. We got 24 Ruchis on it, floating caps, matching steering wheel, floating cap on the steering wheel.
Have a close cap.
Yep, go ahead, yeah. I recently did the interior probably about like 2 years ago. Kept the original. Brand new motor, 383 stroker. Put it in myself. And I can turn on the sounds for if you want.
No, you don't have to. I appreciate it, but when you put it on, whatever music you play, give me a copyright.
Oh, okay. I got you. Hey, that's how YouTube, yeah. Yeah.
It takes the fun out of it, really.
I don't, yeah.
You know, but